Hello and welcome to the course Normal Maps to Unreal Engine. My name is John Burdock, and in this course I'm going to show you the entire process of creating normal maps in Cinema 4D and then making them fully compatible with Unreal Engine. What makes this course particularly special is I show how to drastically reduce visible seams on your normal maps. Here's an example of what a normal map from Cinema 4D in Unreal Engine would look like if you went through the standard conversion process. And here is after I have gone through my own normal map conversion process. You can see that the seams have been reduced to the point where they are almost completely invisible at this distance. I do want to point out, though, that this technique is only compatible for Windows users. But that said, there is still a lot of very good information provided in this course that both Windows and Mac users will find helpful. For example, we'll start by learning more about normal maps by looking at the different types of normal maps, how they compare to bump maps, and what they're both used for. Next, I'll talk about a program called XNormal and why it's so important to this normal map workflow. I'll then take you through the entire process of baking out normal maps from Cinema 4D, converting them in XNormal, and finishing up our completed object in Unreal Engine. This course is for anyone who is trying to create content in Cinema 4D for Unreal Engine. I've spent over 14 months developing this technique, and I'm extremely honored and excited to finally share this information with you. Let's get started.